There we go, right there. I'm already on.
Oh, look at that.
Got him.
Oh, look at that one.
Look at the slab here, boys. Oh my gosh.
Well, crap. They got something big. Oh my goodness.
Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Pro-Am Outdoors. Today, my son wants to take us to his country club outside of Franklin, Texas. Got this amazing little pond right here. I got Joshua, my son, helping out. Got the new one on the way. Got the whole family here. There's Elena, there's Matt, and there's Teresa. We're all gonna get ready to fish this little pond right here. This looks pretty nice right here at the golf course. Let's see if we can't catch something for you here on Pro-Am Outdoors. And here's Braxton right here. He's all looking goofy and getting ready to catch a fish. What are you using, Braxton?
You gonna use some worms and a bobber?
Elena, what are you gonna use?
I'm using a pinkfish rod.
I think.
There we go right there. I'm already on. Pro-Am Outdoors is already on the board. Except for he's off in the weeds a lot. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. All right. Yep. All right.
Oh yeah,
You've got that nice little bass right here. Ooh, that's a nice little tank out here though. But that's what you can expect. Let's let this sucker go back. Oh, you're trying to come back on the land there, Boudreaux. Go on, you got it. There you go.
Here he comes.
All right, wait on it.
You get it?
Got it. Oh, he got off. That was a heck of a try, man. Hey, he's still there. He's still.
I just sight fished him. I watched him.
Well, what'd you catch him on?
Brush hog.
The brush hog?
420.
Yeah, he all dirty.
Let me clean him up.
There you go. Look at that. He's still wiggly.
Yeah, he's live.
Okay, as you've seen right there, there's bass all along the bank of that area. And they're just hanging out right there. So I'm gonna try something. So what I got is my 10-foot ACC crappie stick, and I'm gonna put this little crappie minnow on it right here that I've done. See if we can't catch some more of those small bass just hanging around the bank. It looks like Braxton got him a good one. Go throw him back in the water and we'll keep catching some more. Got a nice sun perch right here. And that's on your new rod, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at Teresa go now. She's on. Yeah, see, when you get to the bank, you want to lift up over. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this is what Teresa caught. Here, buddy, hold it up. Oh my goodness, look at the size of that bluegill.
Mine got stuck.
Here, can you hold him by, you gotta hold him strong. We're holding his lip like that. Okay. Now, hold it like that. All right, look at our favorite ladies right here catching these brim and bluegill. Look at the size of one Teresa got. Oh my goodness, and you got a nice one for a sun perch.
Oh,
look
yeah.
at that. That's a big old bluegill.
Teresa got a slab on a sun perch.
That's a true bluegill, not just a sun perch.
Bluegill.
All right,
but
good job,
good.
Teresa. Barb has been too far in. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna do a sneak up on this little bass to see if I can't catch him. I got him. Look at this one, y'all. Oh my gosh. That little sucker came out. And there he goes. Come on, you can make it back. There he is. Got another one. Oh, look at the brand. Look at that sun perch I just caught. That's a yellow belly. Big one too. So yeah, we're catching these. Oh yeah, that's what's out here, the little ones. But you know what? Look at that, Josh. Dude, I'm telling you right now, I wish that you had brought your crappie rod.
Reel it up.
Get it, Megan.
Hey!
Ooh, that's a big
That's a
one.
good one.
Come hold it again.
That's a big
Lena,
one.
you wanna hold it
Look
up?
at that one.
Can we cut it?
Okay.
No.
let me see.
No, these are catch and release only, bro.
Oh, yeah, look at that one.
Oh.
Oop. There you go.
Good job.
All right, that's a big one too.
There's a bigger than mine was.
Can I throw it?
Try
Will
it.
I be able to?
It's gonna
Elena, go push it back in. Hurry.
hurry up, lady. Come help it. Come help the fish in. Come help the fish get in the water. Just push it
Go
out.
push it over with your fingers.
Go push it out,
out.
Elena.
Push it in there.
Push it in there. There you go.
Flick it.
Flick it.
Flick it.
There you go. Flick it fast. There you go.
All right.
He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. He's go. Is that cool, Elena? Thanks for subscribing. Also, don't forget the new feature, the thanks button. Really appreciate it if you hit that one. There he is. I snatched him that time. Oh God, look at the slab here, boys. Whoa. Look at the size of person. Oh my God. Look at the size of this one, boy.
Golly. Babe, look.
That's bigger than yours, babe. I'm sorry.
Golly.
All right, let's release this one. Look at that one, Elena. What do you think? I'm telling you, these little crappie jigs. And these are my homemade jigs.
There's something just jump right there.
These are my homemade jigs, dude.
No, maybe I should rig like a...
Oh, he's a little bigger.
Did you get that one, Elena?
Mommy's on fire.
I tried to get over here and
Hold on
video
one
it.
chance. Let him take it. Let him take it.
Let me see.
All right, now real.
Everybody out here is just having fun. This is amazing. Oh, look at that one. Whoa. Whoa. Who got that
Double
one?
cast.
Wow. Chance, you get that one?
We got the same one.
Yeah, same kind, huh? Y'all got
Hold
a
it by
double.
the... Here.
Look at this.
Wait,
it's
back
called
a little
double.
bit.
Two fish at the same time. That's a big one too, isn't it?
Yeah, that one's big. Here, I'll help you. Ready?
They're all big. Look at that.
Here, I get it.
No, I know.
Yeah, man.
This perfect. Eating size.
There you go. Put your finger.
All right.
All right, now pinch it. It's okay if it flicks around.
hard.
All right, now look at the camera.
Look at this one.
Tell them what's your name.
Right here.
How old are you?
Hold it up like that.
Chance, how old are you? 6. All right, throw them back.
So you throw it back.
Woo!
Hey, wait.
He said 6. Hold on, I got it.
You did it again, Lena. You got it.
Are they starting to bite again or something?
Yeah, it's part of that evening vibe now. Because it's 3 o'clock. Here you go.
Listen to the.
Croaking.
Pinch it real hard.
That's okay, Lena.
Push your alarm clock.
He's right there. Got him. Look at that one, y'all. I sight fished that one. Hook, he got off. Quick release. Well, crap. Okay, so I was told to rush. Hurry up, come over here. They got something big. Let's see what we got.
Watch out, Braxton. Get out of the shot.
That's what Randy got. Here, you got it.
Oh my goodness. Hold him this way. For the light. Over this way.
Holy
There you
God.
Oh wow, that's a good one. What'd you catch him on?
Are you on the scale?
You're out there doing it like catfishing?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That big old perch in there. See the perch?
Oh,
Oh, you got a perch in there?
He was on the bottom.
Wait, can I see?
Got it on there.
Can I see a
I told you there's some big ones out here. Let me see. He is right at 6.
You think?
Yeah.
Got it? Okay, you got it.
We got it. We got it. We got it. Good.
You believe
And
No, he ain't bleeding.
he's about
let him eat that.
He's a good
That's
6.
a big one.
Oh yeah, that's a.
Where was it?
Randy, Papa caught it.
He's 6 because it's a pound back that way.
Wait, look behind
Just
you.
like I said, 6.
No, look on its stomach.
Yeah. Oh, this will be a 7-pounder all day because look, it's a female that's already let out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she needs.
All right, Matt, Uncle Matt's helping. There you go. There you go.
Dang.
Still right there.
Oh.
All right, you seen it right here. Big old 6-pounder out here at the golf course. We're catching little ones. Randy's over here catching big ones, trying to do some catfish.
Hey, I caught a big one too.
Yeah, you did. And got it on film, don't we, Braxton? All right.
All the way from.
We're going to see if we can catch a few more fish here on Pro-Am Outdoors. Hopefully this video drops soon. Let's get some more going. But anyway, if it don't, thanks for watching Pro-Am Outdoors. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Keep your line wet, your hook sharp. We'll see you next time.